It was party time for the Kardashian-Jenner clan. Whilst Kim had jetted out to a Las Vegas nightclub for her 33rd birthday celebrations, Bruce Jenner was keeping things behind closed doors with a family dinner. But of course the famous family couldn't resist a silly selfie or two as they helped him celebrate his upcoming 64th birthday. It was Khloe Kardashian who seemed to really enjoy the night, posting a montage of shots with her half-sister Kendall as she tweeted that she was lucky to have two phenomenal fathers. The 29-year-old had been feeling particularly defensive of her family after a snap of herself cuddling up to her half-sisters Kendall and Kylie Jenner caused criticism. Setting the record straight on Twitter, the former X Factor host wrote that they had been at a concert, not a club, and that critics should stop trying to make them into something they're not. Insisting that her sisters should be left alone, the brunette beauty wrote that critics could come for her instead. Whoa! Don't mess with Khloe.